Electrolux Pedestal Drawer Removal Guide. So first, you're going to go ahead and open your drawer and make sure it is empty. Remove everything stored inside the pedestal, then pull the drawer all the way open, since this will give you clear access to the sides of the drawer. So sides over here, the left and right sides. Now you're going to need to check both drawer sides, since this is going to be the one that will be holding the drawer itself, and you're going to look along the left and right sides where the drawer connects to the metal rails. Depending on the Electrolux pedestal model, you may find release tabs or levers or even retaining screws securing the drawer. So you're going to have to depend on your model as well. So again, depending on your model, you can go ahead and press the release tabs on both sides at the same time, or you can try it one by one. Just don't pull it out once both sides aren't released yet. So in some cases, it could be some sort of detachable snaps where you just go ahead and pull this lever up over here. So for example, if it looks like this, you're going to push this lever up for both sides and it will detach. So this is an example on what the lever would look like if it was in this case. So press the release tabs on both sides while gently pulling the drawer towards you. If your model uses screws instead, you're gonna remove the screw on each side that connects the drawer to that slide. Then you can just pull the drawer out carefully. So once both sides are released, you can support the drawer and slide it straight toward you until it comes free. So avoid forcing or twisting it, since the slide rails and locking parts can be damaged and it won't open or close smoothly as it was doing before. Then if you want, you can just reinstall the drawer. So line the drawer back up with the rails and slide it evenly into position. In some cases, you don't have to do anything with the levers. You just put it all back in properly and make sure it does fit and match. But in some models, you're going to have to reattach the retaining screws or allow the release mechanisms to lock back into place. Then open and close the drawer to confirm it does move smoothly and it just doesn't pop off anymore. But that's pretty much one way you can remove or take out your Electrolux pedestal drawer. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.